Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about the disadvantages of being a risk taker. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new in my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. While being a risk taker can have its advantages, it also comes with potential disadvantages and drawbacks. It's important to weigh these disadvantages against the benefits to make informed decisions about when and how to take risks. Here are some disadvantages of being a risk taker. Number one, financial loss. One of the most significant disadvantages is the potential for financial loss. Risk-taking in investments, business ventures, or other financial decisions can lead to substantial financial setbacks if things don't go as planned. Number two, stress and anxiety. Taking risks can be stressful and anxiety-inducing. The uncertainty and a fear of failure associated with risk can take a toll on your mental and emotional well-being. Number three, failure and setbacks. Not all risks pay off, and some can result in failure or setbacks. Dealing with failure can be demotivating and challenging. It may require significant time and effort to recover. Number four, reputation damage. In some cases, taking risks that do not pan out can damage your reputation, especially in professional and business settings. This can affect your credibility in future opportunities. Number five, loss of resources. Risk-taking may require the allocation of resources such as time, money, and effort. If a risk does not have yield the expected results, these resources may be wasted. Number six, strained relationships. Taking risks can put stress on personal and professional relationships. People close to you may not always understand or agree with your risk-taking decisions, leading to conflicts or strained connections. 7. Legal and ethical issues. Some risks may involve ethical or legal concerns. Engaging in risk behavior that violates laws or ethical standards can lead to serious consequences, including legal trouble. Number 8. Overconfidence. Success in one risk-taking endeavor can sometimes lead to overconfidence, causing individuals to underestimate the risk involved in future endeavors. This can lead to poor decision-making. 9. Health impacts. The stress and pressure associated with taking risks can have adverse effects on your physical and mental health. Prolonged exposure to high-stress situations can lead to burnout and health issues. Number 10, lack of stability. Continuously taking risks can result in a lack of stability in various aspects of life, such as career, finances, or personal relationships. Some people value stability and predictability over the potential rewards of risk taking. Number 11, inadequate preparation. Rushing into risk without adequate planning or research can increase the likelihood of negative outcomes. It's essential to take calculated risks rather than impulsive ones. 12. Dependency on risk. Relying solely on risk-taking as strategy can become a pattern that hinders long-term planning and sustainable growth. To navigate the disadvantages of risk-taking, individuals should aim for a balance between taking calculated risk and exercising caution. It's important to assess each situation carefully, consider potential consequences, and have contingency plans in place. Additionally, seeking advice from mentors or experts in relevant fields can help mitigate some of the downsides associated with risk-taking. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on disadvantages of being a risk taker. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.